is an animated simulation of a bar and wire production line, designed in-house by SMG Group. The pusher feeds the billet into the reheating furnace, heating it to about 120 C in preparation for rolling. The pusher pushes the billet out of the furnace, and it is transported to the roughing mill by the roller table, consisting of 3 horizontal mills and 3 vertical mills for multiple passes of rolling. The rolled piece passes through a flying crank shears, cutting both the head and tail. The billet continues into the intermediate rolling mills and a rotational flying shear rolling mills with 3 horizontal mills and 3 vertical mills. Next, it enters the finishing rolling mills. Loopers are installed to adjust rolling tension. The billet is guided into the conduit and reaches the number 3 rotational flying shear. Pinch rollers before the shear ensure accurate cutting of the head. After entering a horizontal looper, then proceeds into the 45 top cross wire rod, finishing rolling mills for further rolling. The rolled piece passes through a water cooling device to control its temperature and improve product performance. It then enters the laying head. Pinch rollers before the laying head feed the wire rod onto the air-cooled conveyor, which transports and cools the material. Now it is transferred by a double rod hook and transferred to the PF line by C-hook and sent to the warehouse, where it is bundled by a strapping machine. If you would like more detail, please contact the SMG team.